Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Pay not working on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that Apple Pay is not working in your iPhone. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. Then open your settings app, just go to general, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that your software is up to date. Just run any pending updates for your software. Once you have checked, just go back and try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor software glitches. Now to do this, quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to verify your credit or debit card information in your Apple Pay that you haven't any error in that. If you find this, have to fix that, and after that you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, just go to settings, go to general, and here go to date and time section. Just enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back and go to language and region, select region, and select your own region from here. Once you have selected your region, you just have to retry to check if it's fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, just go back and you can try to reset your network settings. Just have on this transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your iPhone network settings. If there will be any issue with the iPhone network, it will be fixed in the steps. You will not get the issue again. Or after resetting your network settings, if you're still facing the same issue, so you just have to go back and just try to contact with Apple Support team to get actual help. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can also use the Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option. Just look for wallet here, select wallet, and here just wait for the loading, then tap on get more help, then tap on callers. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.